You asked how to buy shares of Dynavax Technologies Corp. Dynavax is a U.S. biotechnology company focused on vaccine adjuvants and immunotherapies and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker DVAX. This is an educational overview and not investment advice. To buy DVAX, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search and type the ticker DVAX to find Dynavax Technologies Corp. Select the matching result to open the official stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is Dynavax Technologies Corp. Check that the ticker is DVAX and the exchange listed is NASDAQ. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a limit order. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your purchase, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.